Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Stealth Cam app not working error. So first of all, go to your mobile device settings and then scroll all the way down to apps. Then tap on Manage Apps and look for Stealth Cam app. Click on it and then tap on Clear Data. From here tap on Clear Cache and hit OK. Now the app should work fine, but if it doesn't, go ahead and open your browser and type speedtest.net in the search bar and run a speed test on your device. It is recommended that your internet speed should not be less than 3 Mbps for this app. So make sure there's no issue in your internet connection. Also, I recommend you to always keep your app up to date. If after all of this, it still doesn't work, close the Stealth Cam app completely and then reinstall the app. This will remove any software glitch that may have caused the issue. I tried this myself and this works every time. So hopefully, now you can use the Stealth Cam app error-free. Alright, well that's all for this video. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.